Christina Marie. Making her entrance to the next. I'll let the announcer do it. I'll let the announcer do it.
Christina Marie.
First time seeing her wrestle, but I heard good things.
Obviously the crowd favorite.
The lady with the power, Willow Nightingale.
She seems to have it in me. It's almost enough to make you sick. Oh, smart move by Christina.
This is actually a rematch from the second round of the Captain Championship tournament that helped determine their champion.
Oh man, oh geez.
These two ladies have gone at it before.
Pretty nimble.
The ropes, shoulder block, both of them. Single leg pickup. Good frog.
Whoa. That was an impressive trick. Oh.
Oh, going for a submission. Trying to over for the pin. Gets her up. 1, 2. That would have been an incredible quick finish.
Not who I got my money on, but that was innovative. I've never actually seen that before.
Backslide by Willow.
Freak mode.
Ooh, big.
Snap.
Are we going to see three amigos here? It looks like it. She's going for it. Salute to the late Eddie Guerrero. Up, but she didn't get it down. Small package. 1, 2, and a kick out at 2.
Can't sleep on that resiliency of Miss Marie. Off the ropes. Oh.
Big side slam by Willow.
Didn't make it dent.
I must say, you're right about Christina's resiliency. But I don't know if she's going to be able to stand up to Willow's power here or not. Ooh. Shot to the throat. Huge clothesline by Christina Marie.
Extended to the fullest on that clothesline.
Now a choke over the middle rope. Slam Willow's head to the turnbuckle.
She's a competitor.
Oh! That has to hurt. Temporary blinding your opponent. You can't see, you can't hit.
She came in with a game plan.
Willow reverses.
Oh man.
And misses. Pretty big clothesline by Christina.
Her Madden speed rating is 61. She low level in speed.
Yes, but her power. Oh! Huge uppercut by Christina Marie. Oh! Impressed with power by Christina Marie.
She dropped her right on her happy head.
But only a 2 count.
Fumes. She's running off fumes.
Modified chokehold? Modified sleeper.
Sleeper. Is that a rear naked choke? No.
Maybe. Willow back on her feet.
Oh.
Taken down again by Christina Marie.
Swept.
Raining the right hands in.
It's a low center of gravity. She put that happy chick right on the back of her head again. She's gonna forget where she is.
That rear chin lock. Willow Marie's powering up out of it. Turns it around. Goes to the midsection. Oh, big chop. And another one. Oh, huge pickup at Samoan drop by Christina Marie. Using Willow's momentum against her.
What a feat of strength.
I must say, I thought Willow was the one going to be having the advantage in this match, but Christina Marie has shown she has plenty of power.
She got that sneaky strength.
Oh, big suplex by Willow, but Willow needs some time to recover.
Both competitors seem to be fighting back to their feet.
Well, they realize that this is for an opportunity at the CCW Championship.
Giving it all.
Big clotheslines by Willow. To the ropes. Picks her up. Oh, appeared to be going for a spine buster.
Toe kick.
Walked it. Up, there it is. Huge spine buster. 1, 2. Kick out at 2.5.
Willow thought this was games more like a Dave and Buster. Waka, waka, waka. Going for another firewoman's carry.
Amazing reversal by Christina Marie to get her up. Oh, big slap. I'm not sure that was a good idea.
Seemed like all right at the time.
Oh, here by Christina Marie. 1, 2.
That was a spear and a half. That was
just kicks out.
amazing.
For the count of 3. Christina Marie can't believe it.
She's a little powerhouse. She is,
Definitely is. Having a lot of power in that body. As Willow, can't keep her up. Willow's got her up on her shoulders. Oh!
man.
That could be it. 1, 2. No, and a kick out by Christina Marie.
Straight to DVD. That was a nice little maneuver if I've ever seen. Oh, Willow.
Tell you what, this is dangerous.
Cast in a shadow with Hight like that. Cast in a shadow.
Christina Marie attempting to powerbomb Willow off the second rope. Doesn't get it done. Willow turns around.
Spending too much time being happy. See,
Cannot celebrate, especially in a match of this importance, until you get that 3 count.
exchanging blows on the middle rope.
Willow pushes Christina Marie off. Christina Marie comes back for more.
That resiliency again.
Up, attempts a sunset flip. The ref should not have been counting there. Christina Marie did have a hold of the ropes. Willow did.
Oh man.
The brass knucks.
And a missed side kick.
Oh! Direct to the chin, and Willow is out cold. 1, 2, 3, and Christina Marie.
I didn't see a thing. What happened? Besides Christina Marie came away victorious as I previously thought and stated.
Yeah, you seem to miss things quite often there.
You know, The only thing I miss is the seat.
Christina Marie has managed to win herself a chance at the CCW Championship.
That was actually really
It was an intense physical match.
astounding. She has that power lifter strength.